If you don't have a pay type to capture some information in the payslips, you can customize a pay type. Now, let me show you how to do that. On the home page, click on pay types. When you come here, this customization of pay types can be done for pay using these pay types here from 150 up to 165. You can see they're called custom pay, like that. So that's for pay, and then for voluntary deductions you have the same from 750 down to 765. So I've given 15 customizable pay types. To activate one of these pay types, the first thing you do is rename it. So let's take this example, this custom deduction 0. I want to use this to capture the Finance Act 2023 recovery. So the first thing you do is you double click on it like that. So you give it a name. So in my case, let me call it FA 2023 recovery, and you always want to give it a short name. Sometimes the short name will just be the same as the long name but without a space. Recovery. If it's a really long pay type, try and shorten it so that it's just a few characters. This is the name that appears on some reports. So you rename it and you can see the new name there. Now that's not the end, you have to activate it. To activate it is to either make it fixed or variable, because we're only going to use this once. Click on it as variable. If you click either of these variable buttons, this will change from unused to variable. So you click variable, it changes there, and it moves from this unused column to this fixed and variable pay types column, what I call the active pay types. Now once you've done that, these pay types are now available in the pay slips for you to use. So let's say I want to add for this Tom Yellow guy this recovery. So let's say Tom, I pick that pay type, you can see it's now visible here, and I put 750, and then let's say housing fund recovery, housing fund for July 2023. You don't need to say recovery, it already says here that it's recovery, and that's it. It's usable like that. So in the example where I showed you how to import, at the point where you're importing, this was here, this is the pay type you'll use. You'll select that instead of recovery. Let's say you had used recovery for something else. Now you'll be able to use this when you're doing your importation, and that's it.